Hey everyone, welcome to Philosophical Study. Thank you for connecting this channel. I hope you all are well. And today we will practice all the previous year questions of Nta Ugc net in the year of 2012. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and never miss an update. And I hope you all are doing really well. So let's begin. Before start the session, please join Telegram channel. If you join Telegram channel, you will be benefited and here you can get free ebooks, free notes, previous year questions, and I will share the link in description box. Okay, let's start. You have to read the options and choose the correct answer within 10 seconds and write in comment section how much you have choose the correct answer. Are you ready to practice all the questions? Okay, let's start. First question is 2012. Vyavaharika Sattva refutes. Those who are Hindi medium, please read the questions and options. The answer is B, Pratibhasika Sattva. Next question is, the relation between the body and the self is. And the answer is A, Sangyoga. Next question is, the asamvayi karana of the color of a piece of cloth is. And the answer is B, the color of the threads. Next question is, Dravyatva, according to the Vaisheshikas, an instance of. And the answer is C, Samanya Vishesha. And next question is, Nimitta Karana of the conjunction of two atoms is. The answer is B, will of God. Next question is, the theory that effect is contained in the cause prior to its production is known as. And the answer is A, Satkaryavada. Next question is, the appearance of something in something other than itself, according to Sankara, means. The answer is B, Adhasa. Next question is, Buddha's attitude toward the Vedic notion on of self is that it is. And the answer is A, dogmatic. Next question is, who is the author of the book Appearance and Reality? And the answer is A, Bradley. Next question is, according to the Nyayikas, we perceive cowness. And the answer is C, sense perception. Next question is, the schools which admit to Pramanas are. And the answer is B, Buddha and Vaisheshika. Next question is, who holds that all Jnana is Pramana? The answer is D, Prabhakara. Next question is, which one of the following is not a means of Sabdagraha? And the answer is B, Tarka. Next question is, Annatha Kheti Bhada is upheld by. The answer is C, Nyaya and Vaisheshika. Next question is, select the set correctly matched in order of the denial of Sabda Pramana. And the answer is A, Charvaka, Buddha and Vaisheshika. Next question is, the theory of error known as Akhyatibada in Indian philosophy is presented by. The answer is B, Mimamsaka. Next question is, the identity of the subject and object consciousness adopting the form of external object is known as. And the answer is A, perception. Next question is, the trend in contemporary philosophy method is. And the answer is A, analytical. Next question is, the most important element in the Jaina theory of Pramanas is. And the answer is B, Nyaya. Next question is, the fundamental aim of Patanjali Yoga is. The answer is C, cessation of modification of mind. Today we will stop here and we will continue in the next session, and I will share the PDFs of the session in Telegram channel Philosophical Study. Please join Telegram channel. If you have some difficulty to open the link, go to Play Store, then search Telegram app and then install and login. After login, search Philosophical Study, then join. I hope you all are enjoying the session, and thank you for stay connecting and never miss to share the video because sharing is caring.